Welcome to Gomistech. Today I am showing you one website where you can earn money. People who doesn't have earn a single money in their life, they also can earn money from this website. This is real and it really works. So first you have to sign up. Click the sign up, then select publishers. From here you just have to input your details, your first name, last name, address, date of birth. All the required field, the country, email ID, password, mobile number, phone number. Here is the email ID, confirm email ID, password, then it's confirm password, same password you have to input again. Here is the security question. You just put one of them here, then give the answer also, like your childhood, your date of birth, your state name, whatever you have to create for you, just put on there. Then give the answer. Then where you find about this website, like Google search engine, whatever. Here is the referral number. If you find it blank, just leave it blank. If you find any number in there, just leave it there too. And here you have to input the captcha. Exactly the same captcha you have to input. Then after that, click I agree, I confirm, then click register. To register, you will get an email in your mailbox. Just go in there and verify the email address. After that, you have to sign in with that email and your new created password. Here, I already have an account, so I'm just signing up my account. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing here. Actually, the beginners people who's really new and doing these things for them also. So here I already earned $3.37. It's almost 1 month earning. So I have to go to the ad first. Actually, ad clicking is the income source here. I have to click 10 or 11 ads every day. Every 24 hours they are providing ads. So here are the 11 ads for me. Each ad is 1 cent each. I'm clicking the first one. New Windows open up. When the Windows is totally loaded, then I will just go loading. So it's almost loaded. I'm just closing it and clicking the next one. This way I have to work actually. But it's a very easy money. Money is very small, but that doesn't matter. People are claiming that they never ever earn money from online, so they can try this. This ad is now opening somehow. I'm just closing it and trying the next one. Don't have to be confused or worry about it. It will open later. I know this is happening sometimes. So it's faster than before. Alright, it's loaded. Alright, few more to go. Alright, 5 more to go. Almost done it. Alright, I'm closing it. 4 to go. This one I'm saying not opening. I'm leaving this one, but I'm still getting the pay. Don't worry. Alright, this works. Closing it. Almost finished there. 1 to go. That's the last one. Done it. So I earned 11 cents today. It's already added in my balance. the balance also on top. So here we can have some good news. There is a upgraded thing. If you upgrade golden and platinum, then you can earn more. Right now I am in silver, so I am earning every day 11 cents. Gold is $5. You can earn every day, and platinum $7.50. But in gold, for earning that money, you have to pay them $19.95, I mean $20 for upgradation cost, and platinum $49.95, I mean $50 for upgradation cost. There is a difference in here. In silver, unless you reach $50, you can withdraw the money. But in gold membership, every week you can withdraw your money, and platinum you can withdraw every day. There is no limit. So whatever you decide, you can do whatever you like. Silver, you can still earn the money. All you have to do, make some reference. So then you can earn more money unless you upgrade gold or platinum. So let's see how we can withdraw the money. So here I have $3.18 now. So there is a 4 withdrawal option: PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, and Western Union. I mean, bank transfer and Western Union, both is our, we can withdraw from this two. Two is our really useful. I mean, in our country there is no PayPal or Bitcoin, but we still have. Let's see who is on top. So USA, Canada, my goodness, Sri Lanka. Oh, lots of Sri Lankan and Indian. So they are earning very good money. Lots of Indian and Sri Lankan around. That's the Bangladeshi also there. They also earn money. That's good to see. So why not you are trying? So just jump on this website, click on the referral link in my description. You can sign up from there also, or you just write in your browser starclick.com. From there also you can sign up. Oh, there is one more: Bangladeshi, British, Pakistani. Every country people is earning good money. Good. So who hasn't earned single money ever, never, he also can try from here. Just use this website, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button or update my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Thank you so much.